Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos with text on WhatsApp web group using your PC with the latest update. WhatsApp has introduced a new feature that allows you to share videos along with text in group chats seamlessly. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your groups and chats. Step 2. Once WhatsApp web is open, navigate to the group chat where you wish to send multiple videos with text. Click on the group to enter the chat. Step 3. Look for the plus icon within the chat interface and click on it. Select Photos and Videos from the options provided. Step 4. Choose the videos you want to share with the group by clicking on them. After selecting the desired videos, click on Open to add them to your message. Step 5. In the caption bar provided, write the text you want to accompany the videos. You can add context, descriptions, or any message you wish to convey. Step 6. To send the selected videos with text to the group, click on the Send button. The videos and text will be shared with all the members of the group. By following these simple steps, you can easily send multiple videos with text on WhatsApp web group using your PC. Enhance your group conversations by sharing video content along with personalized messages. That's it. You have now learned how to send multiple videos with text on WhatsApp web group using your PC. Try it out and make your group chats more engaging with video content and meaningful text. Thank you for watching.